smart, too smart for me. Got the whole thing figured out. Two-door, hardtop Model T, limousine or runabout. Putting me behind the wheel and stand well back like a Cracker Jack. I'll get your heart pumping.
Ain't no car that you can't drive. I would bet my life on that. Hot rod roadster, pickup truck, 40 miles in nothing flat.
Ain't nothing better than to drive through town with the pedal down. Watch the old folk jumping. When I drive, I'm in love, I'm alive. And I'll forget about everything I hate. When I drive, I can reach 65. I won't pay the law no mind. They'll always be behind. And man, that just feels great.
Hey, look, there's danger up ahead. Here comes a curve.
Will you stop tugging at my sleeve?